Welcome back, guys, for a new episode of Satisfactory 1.1. We're gonna continue where we left last video. The goal of this video is going to be waiting for the parts to be done at the top. We're still missing a few engines up there, you can see. While we wait, we plan the automation of rifle ammo, explosive rebars production, and double the reinforced plates production. Since we are already in this area over here, so let's double the reinforced plates. So there we have 4. This one's making plates, I believe. Let's see here. This thing is making plates, so the reinforced plates are made here. So we're just going to add extra here. Add extra smelters. So iron smelters. We just 2 more to go to 240. Was it pure mine? I think it's pure iron. Just not really sure. Okay. Here we're gonna add a splitter again. Let's just make it nice, align it with the one next to it. Alright. Mark II is 120, 120. Put the electricity to all of them. Alright, and we only need to split this one into a Mark III here. And yeah, it's gonna be right. Now we need a Mark IV here. Mark IV here. Down there as well. So there's one. This one's already correct. And that one's already correct too. This one's already correct as well. We just need to boost production to 480. Let's go back up. Make sure that we have all the ore going in. So the 4 of them should be saturated. 120, 120, 120, 120. Correct. After that, we want to make more plates. Under it, there's no space. We could go over. On the left, we have a little space, so maybe I'm going to redirect this one to here, and the one on the left, we're gonna make one more plate maker. So, plate, we're interested in 240 max 20. Missing iron plates. Okay. I think we can find this. There's some spare here. No spare at all. That's strange. Are we missing material here? No, it's working 100% of the time. They're just being put there fast. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. This one was probably for the next iron mine, but I think we'll see later when we start to use it. Reinforced plates, 240. Just put it next to the other one. Alright. Looks good to me. Maybe we need to move the sinks at the back. Let's move the sinks a bit closer here. And here. Sink one. Let's bring it down. Alright. I think we were thinking, no, just this one, probably. No. That's strange. Probably, I see. So maybe... No, failed. Where's the output? It's over there. Otherwise I just put the thing there, I have some space. I don't want to be making... I can always rebuild it any minute. It's quick. Okay, one thing here. Redo this one as well. Sync. I think it needs to check to be in the other direction. Okay. Power. This one and this one. And then this one. This one here. Okay, here we have more plates going out. Doesn't like it. Why is it? About here. Conveyor shape. Invalid conveyor shape. This way. I never noticed this one's eating space there. Okay, we want to remerge this. Let's just make it 3. I'm going to redo this one. Sync. I think this looks okay. Alright. Electricity. All good. And now we have double the plate production. I think we just missed the electricity here. That's it. And yeah, the input. So change this. Merger. This one's 2. This one's 2. So like this. Mark 3. Same for this one. This blueprint has some just one little issue is that you may be confused that this one's being used, but it's not the case. We only use the left one. It's a lot. Okay. We should. It's gonna take some time for the new plates to arrive, the new reinforced plates to arrive, but everything's Mark 1, because at the beginning of the game we don't have a lot of Mark 2, Mark 3. That's exactly why we need this part. And at the same time, by the time you get the blueprint designer and can use your blueprints, you already have a lot of Mark II. But anyway. So yeah, everything's running good. All the ingots going at full speed, same here. I think all of this is good. So now, still engines being produced slowly. Let's check, we said rifle ammo, explosive rebar, reinforced plate. So, let's see what we need. Rifle ammo, copper sheets, and smokeless powder. So it's gonna be produced around that area because we have the smokeless powder here. And we have copper sheets being delivered there, so it's gonna be around that area. After that, ammo. So the rebar needs iron bars. The iron bars are over there. They're not turning back, so we need some way of bringing it back. Because after that, if we need explosive rebar, we're gonna need steel pipes and smokeless powder as well. So I guess we need to bring some steel pipes and some iron rods back to this area. We're gonna make boss at this area. What is after that? Reinforced plates done. Okay. So we're gonna probably be building around here if we have some space. We don't. Maybe I can get rid of the things at the bottom here. We don't actually need any of this anymore. We want to be bringing it up maybe. We don't want to be going back non-stop. So let's get rid of a lot of some. Let's clean up the area. This one's still making some plates. We'll see if we keep it. My inventory still have a lot of this. I need to get rid of it. Automated wiring. I will put it here for now. Okay, let's grab some stuff here that we may need. So we use it and then we can get rid of it slowly. Gonna send some screws. Wait, I'm not sure. This one, no need. So we can just put it here. Here we have the automatic builder for. Oh no, it's the output. Output's there. Sorry. Let's transform over all of it to shards. I want some fuel as well. Now we have some package fuel. Let's get some. Maybe actually I send one stack back. That's okay, let's just keep our stacks. Yeah, I wanted to send this fuel back actually, because we don't use it anymore. As for this one, we'll be using the package turbo fuel now. Much better. Much more powerful. Okay. So we still have a lot of Mercer spheres. We're gonna craft some SAM fluctuators. It's really important to find SAM early in the game, but most of the time it's in jungle or very high points that you cannot reach immediately. Unless you have the jetpack, you have the zip line. So usually you will not find it immediately, they're well hidden. Actually we can scan it and we see where they are. It's not like iron mine or copper mine. There will be the one we found here. You remember there was one in the middle of the lake here as well. Apparently there's one at the top there as well, in pure. This one we got it, that's the one we claimed. This one here, it is very far. It's easy to miss. We saw another one in this area, I think, in the middle of the, or here, in the middle of the jungle. But if you don't find, you really need to go around and check very carefully. This is a high point. This is right in a cave. This is the middle of the lake, but in very high position. So it's not something you find very early, but you should really try to find it so that you can open many capabilities afterwards. While I have like petroleum, coke and stuff, I want to see if there's some stuff I can research. No. Ah, the Nobelisk. I remember I made some Nobelisk here. So that I can remove. As for this one, the explosive resonance. This one we're gonna be interested in this one because we can rocket jump with it.
Pulse Nobelisk unlocked. This ammunition for the Nobelisk detonator generates a powerful shockwave capable of repelling nearby objects, including the user. Unrelated. Please ensure all your Fix-It liability waivers are up to date.
Okay, so cluster Nobelisk is yeah, just a lot of small explosions. We're not interested in this one now. Power slugs cannot do. Nutrient, this one we never found so far. Mycelia, since we're missing. This one we could make it to make some inhalers. Yeah, let's see. Which one was it again? Mycelia base, right? Mycelia. Okay. And what is that one again? I don't remember the name. Mushroom. Just mushroom. Okay. No? Or is it mushroom? I don't understand. That's strange. I don't have any. It's not mushroom. It's definitely somewhere, but I don't see where. If I need it, I don't remember the name. It's not here. Equipment, buildings. Actually, I will have it in the list here for pickup. Let's take the slugs as well out. The bacon agaric. Okay. Just need some nutrients. Take the remains. Okay, only one.
Therapeutic inhaler recipe unlocked. It smells like fried breakfast induced cardiac arrest, but surprisingly, it restores you to full health.
Let's get some pipes out. Okay, let's just take this one.
Power pole Mark III unlocked. It has significantly more power connections compared to the previous models.
Sulfur, nutrient, Mycelium. At some point we'll take this one, but not yet. Oh, I can take this one so I can scan enemies and just get rid of this one so that we don't have to check this one anymore. I need 10 DNA. Okay, DNA time. Alright, this one's over. Completed.
Hostile organisms added to the object scanner. Note, it cannot detect the species, only aggression. There are many creatures that dislike you, Pioneer, but I am your true friend.
Alright. Done. So we still don't use petroleum coke? Let's change. I don't know. We'll see, maybe at some point we'll discover a new one. Okay. Still 150 engines at the top missing. Let's proceed with what we wanted to do originally. So here we have the copper sheets going out. We're going to split it. Actually, they're coming out here. We were cleaning this area. Let's continue. Check if I'm not too full. It's alright. How about this? Alright. Poles here. Too many in my opinion. Okay, one's going there. cleaned up the area a bit. This is a reserve of screw. Let's take them all. Put some to the there and get rid of this. Okay. So here we have copper up there. We have the pipes going up there as well. Let's get rid of this. Clear. So I also want to bring I need some iron sticks around here. They're being made here. So here we have some bar coming in. We want some constructor. Making some iron rebar for us. Then we want the explosive rebar. This one is a manufacturer. It's gonna take a lot of space. Didn't expect it to be manufacturer. Missing material, motors. Let's go pick up some motors. Maybe we can put a Mercer sphere on dimensional depot for the motors, so we don't have to come back. Let's pick some up. So I'm going to put some here, so we can get one more stack. going to redo this one so that we can put the manufacturer just after that. This one we're going to redo it. Let's put the constructor around here. Manufacturer. Explosive rebars. Need steel pipe, iron rebar, and smokeless powder. So we need to bring the smokeless powder here. Okay. Let's look at the power. The pipes are okay. It's the lowest most. Let's put the splitter here. So I need the space in the. Right. Here we have the pipes. Just need some smokeless powder. I think it's here. No, petroleum coke. So it's here. This one. Yeah, smokeless powder. So, in case we still need afterwards, I'm going to put it a bit more far. Use this one. I will add a splitter here, just in case we need over it as well. Splitter, yes. Okay, so we can if we need more, we can use it. Alright. Smokeless powder there. It's unlucky. I have to change the. I have to make this one go more to this side. So. It. This will be fine. Here. And here. Oh, what happened? Oh, it changed the one over it. Okay. We need to bring it to the manufacturer there. So, let's go. Smokeless powder. Have some pipes. Making some explosive rebar. And yeah, at the outside we make a dimensional depot. Okay, so we'll always have rebars now. Next step, rifle ammo. Rifle ammo, we need a constructor, some copper sheets, smokeless powder. Okay, so if we need, okay. Need some assembler, so let's put some assembler. We're not mass producing, we're really just making sure we have enough ammo, and I don't think we need to put more than one building in the job. Assembler. Need smokeless powder and yes, and copper sheets. So now we can split here. It's the new thing of Satisfactory 1.1. A bit forward so we have some space. Rifle ammo, no power. Now we have power. And just need copper sheets. Let's see about the production. So another dimensional depot. This direction. Cup? Can I do with cup? So copper sheets now to bring, and we're good. Do this one, I think. The train just arrived, so we'll be able to be sure. Alright, correct. I'm good. We now have unlimited ammo, unlimited explosive rebar. Just have to wait for the displacer leveler to be ready. Let's see how it goes for the electrically. Fine. And the stock of the different things. See if there's something that we have too many of, or I you see this one? Start to go more down and up. That's a good point. This one we absolutely have zero stock. It's the rotor thing. Everything's being consumed or not produced anymore. Stator. I think this one should be saturated. Yeah, we don't use a lot for now. Motor. We're making a bit more than required. Computer. We start to stack some computers. Not bad. Maybe I take the extra stack. Let me get rid of wood and this. Yeah, I want to be putting this first, this as well. Okay. Let's take the computers. This one is with heavy modular frames. We have none available. Smart plating, getting down a lot. The wiring, they were also full. Maybe I should bring the extra here. The ones I had put down there. Okay, we have some things here. Some mycelia, some stuff. I will stack stuff here for now. Right. Still have some slugs. Right there. Could also make automate the DNA production. But that's okay for now. We don't need coupons, so we don't need to produce DNA. There was also the fact that we could build some inhalers. So let's see. Is it here or alien protein? With this one we can make some inhalers. Okay. So let's make some. Okay, let's build some proteins. Let's make some inhalers. Bacon. Okay. I don't know how much we can carry in total on us. And then this one. Okay, we can have many stacks. Let's just use all of it. We'll equip it so it gives puts your health back to 100%. Very useful when you really get raped by the enemies. Let's equip it. I will replace maybe the detonator or maybe the chainsaw. Really don't need the chainsaw these days. Sword. Maybe build more SAM while I'm at it. Okay. Let's take all of this. Put them back where they belong. So now the fuel is very good, you see. Can really go up. It's being consumed fast, but you have a very fast boost. You can see a lot of inertia. Yeah, more automated wiring stuff. We don't have a lot of things go to waste right now. We're just wasting stators. So that's a very good point. Up. Right. Put this one away, put this one away. Computers away as well. Biofuel, it's only for the chainsaw, but we really don't need it anymore because we just cut the trees by exploding them. This one, alien protein. Put this one next to the gun. Okay. Everything's running. On this side it's not running. No, it's running. Okay. It was just too far to know. How often is it running? 100%. Okay, so it's very good. Let's continue the cleanup down there. Maybe I will move all of this upstairs, so we don't have to come back every single time. Still have some stuff here. Can I take all? Okay. Let's get rid of this. This is empty as well, I think. Okay. Get rid of this as well. This contains what? Still have some stuff there. Nobelisk. Got some extra stuff here. Petroleum coke. Maybe I will bring it there as well. Screws have too many, so we'll see. Okay, this one is just bringing power there. We cleared the area here already. Only have this. I think we're pretty much clean here now. We removed all the old system. Have some crate here. Stick it. Okay. Any other crate around here? Not around here. It's far. Okay. Good. So, where do we put the base now? Okay. We could put it here. Or we could put it next to the space elevator. We're not gonna return there very often anyway. So maybe we'll put it next to the space elevator. blocking some area. A bit, but not much. Okay. Let's build the hub again. Here we have the hub. Only need the workshop equipment. The equipment workshop. Here. Let's put the MAM here. And we can put the shop there. Okay. Let's get rid of some stuff we don't immediately need. Maybe I will take the rest of the wires down there so we can get rid of them as well. Let's go pick them up. See some ingots here I don't need. Got everything. Okay. So there's no reason to come back here anymore. Just for the metal plates here, we have like some extra stock, but yeah, I'm not even sure we need this part. It's just we have this mine running for now. One day we need more metal. We got there. Let's have a look at the plate building. See, the flow is still perfect. The reinforced plate. Normally we build 40 per minute now. I'm not sure they're gonna stack faster anyway. We still don't produce enough to. Maybe it will take some time to fill the building that needs the plate. That need the plate. Anyway, it's much better now. Production of reinforced plates. Okay. Going to put all the wires here. Can keep some on us as well. Get some of this back, some wires back. With concrete, this. Let's take plates. This one as well. Take it. Okay. A lot of versatile frame here. This one is blocked. This one is filling slowly, I guess, with the other material. Okay. This one, normally we don't need. Up. Put this one there. This one there. Can never put this one there. A bit more. So we could still increase the stack size and the transfer speed of the dimensional depot, but it's not a priority right now. We prefer to back up more resources with using our immersive spheres. Maybe when we visit the jungle again, we can add one extra. I mean, we can use some of the spheres, but for now, no. Okay, nearly there. You typically want this one if you have some... You want to build some things that use more space. So maybe 4 level of assemblers, or I'm not sure that the 3 manufacturers, the way I build them, they can be made in the Fixit Blueprint Mark 1. I think maybe you need the extra space of the Mark 2. I can just give some material here. Rubber. It's gonna refill anyway, so what's given's given. Computer, I want to keep it. Heavy modular frame, I want to keep them as well. So also transfer, we have a lot of inventory space. Now that we have a dimensional depot, we only need that, mostly. I could have created a dimensional depot for quick wires as well. Could have been a good idea there. Okay, since it's exactly 1 hour, I'm going to... We just finished the space elevator phase. We're going to finish on this. We're gonna see we'll talk about the next parts that we want to build and what is new in the next phase, and then we will switch to another video so that we change the topic. Right, let's go.
Welcome to the Project Assembly Pioneer Progress presentation. Congratulations, the Phase 3 project part shipment is finally ready for delivery. On delivery, Phase 3 will be completed and the main body will be constructed. You should know how this works by now. You'll get access to Tiers 7 and 8 in the hub. In fact, perhaps you should just go look at the technologies there yourself. It's all laid out so that even a monkey could understand it, so you should have no issues. Speaking of which, I don't think you need a reminder about project parts. Instead, I will be providing some interesting facts. Did you know the average pioneer succeeds at saving the day? Did you know the average pioneer knows how to optimize pipe throughput? Did you know the average pioneer stays late at work because they care about humanity? Anyway, I thought you might want to know more about your peers. Good luck in Phase 4.
Alright, let's send the package.
Phase 3 of Project Assembly completed. Fixit's predictions indicate pioneers should generally reach this point faster with above-average results, but we should all adjust our expectations according to the situation. It is understandable. The pressure and complexity will only increase from here, so be sure to take on Phase 4 with efficiency and competence.
Alright, we come to Phase 4. So what do we have in Phase 4? 2 tiers, Tier 7, Tier 8. 7 bauxite refinement. So we have, this is everything, this is for producing aluminium byproducts, aluminium based products. We're gonna be able to look for scannable for bauxite. Quartz we have already because we found some on the way, so we can already scan it. And the intermediate aluminum. So we're gonna be transforming bauxite into alumina solution and then into aluminum scrap and then melt it into aluminum ingots. And the two things we can build with aluminium right now are going to be alclad aluminum sheet and aluminum casing. Overpack. So this one we want it. So we'll be able to over the base without having to use the jetpack constantly, so we can take more distance with buildings. We see much better. So that's really one of the top priorities. Since we need a lot of computers and heavy modular frame, I'm going to shut down the production, whatever uses them right now, for the industrial part, so that we can keep them for us, for developing, researching new milestones. Conveyor belt MK5 is a top priority as well, especially for the shared conveyor belt that starts to be saturated. Yeah, boss hazmat suit. This one we will be able to build a suit so that we can resist radioactivity. This way we can reach some radioactive sites, including spots where the Mercer spheres or the Summers loop or some hard drives are blocked by radioactive material. It will also allow us later, when we work on nuclear, to get close to the nuclear power plants. We'll get extra inventory slots here, also here, so we want all of this is mandatory. And they are really maybe we will go we need this one because this one requires aluminum, so we need this one first, then this one. And or maybe we can do this one first. This one we can get it very easy because you see it only requires small material, but the hover pack is cost more, much more. So we'll probably go for this one. Logistics, hover pack, hazmat suit for the inventory slots. Next we have control system development. Sulfur, so we can make a sulfuric acid from sulfur. So we have some sulfur resource arriving at the base already. They are based on 2 impure mines, but we will see if that will be enough. Packaged sulfuric acid, we can produce some batteries for drones and vehicles. Radio control unit is a part. Supercomputer is a part. Director assembly director system is one of the parts we need to ship to the outer space. The blender is 2 resource input and 2 liquid inputs, and it gives you, I don't remember if there's either something solid or something liquid. You have both. Anyways, it's like a refinery, but 2 resource and 2 liquids. Not all of the inputs are going to be used. This is for tier 7, and we're definitely gonna go for this for the parts, because these parts are gonna be, and including the blender as mandatory for the next year. Next year, then we get access to aeronautical engineering, so we can have some ports to bring resources from one point A to point B. And so the last transportation system we had in the previous tier was the train, and in the new tier is we can use drones to transport resources. The only thing is there's 2 problems with drones. Like drones, the electricity, you have to bring it to each station, each drone port. All right, so it can be good if, for example, we want to bring some stuff from one part of the base to another part of the base, or from far, but we already have like big electrical pilers there, so that we can power the drone port. Also to be noted that drones cannot carry liquids, so any liquid will need to be shipped within containers. So we need to use packages if we really need to transport liquids through drones. The good thing with drones is it's really point A to point B. We don't have to be worried about where to put the rail, how to climb up the mountain, how to go inside the cave. Well, actually, you can have a drone port inside a cave, as far as I remember. So we will choose to use trains or drones based on the need, the distance, And especially we have to be more careful for liquids because they cannot carry liquids, so we'll have to think about a system to carry liquids or to package them before we ship them. All right, after that we get access to nuclear power, so we'll be able to scan uranium and all the components required to how can I say, to use uranium. So uranium is going to transform, it's going to be transformed to uranium cells, if I remember well. After that we need electromagnetic rods and uranium cells to make uranium fuel rods, and this is the fuel that you input to the nuclear power plant. So the nuclear power plant is going to take water in as well, and so the input is uranium fuel rod and water to cool down the plant, and it's going to output some nuclear wastes that are highly radioactive we need to take care of. Magnetic field generator is just a part we need to ship outer space. As far as I know, they're not used right now for any extra part. Advanced aluminum production. We get access to resource well pressurizer. So on the map there's some geysers that are not only water based, like how can I say, you can have some veins. It's like you have a center where we put the resource well pressurizer. It's going to push pressure inside the ground, and in all the resource well extractor we're going to have the resource go out. So it's like a pump, and all around the pump we will be able to extract some resource from it. So we'll be able to scan water. We can basically use extract water this way. Crude oil we already have access, but as far as I know there's no crude oil with resource well pressurizer. Nitrogen gas is going to be used with resource well pressurizer. We didn't meet any nitrogen gas mine right now so far. We also get empty freight tank. So for gas like nitrogen gas or some freight tank, like some of the resources need to be shipped with freight tank, some also need plastic. The empty freight tank is using aluminum, so that's a third part we make from aluminum. Actually they said we can package nitrogen gas using empty freight tank. We see it here, so it's mostly for gas. Heatsink is made from aluminum as well. Cooling system I think is made from heatsink, and modular frame is probably made from cooling system. I'm not sure. No, I don't think so. But they had a new modular frame that we can produce. Okay, leading edge production, turbo motor. We get access to miner MK3. It's the last and most powerful miner of the game. This one will extract 240 resources per minute. If you put 3 shards inside, you're gonna get 600 resource per minute, and if your mine is pure you're gonna get 1200 resource per minute. That is the maximum resource extraction of the game as well. This is a space elevator part. Particle enrichment. So this is the extension of nuclear power. The difference is that we get access to a new type of liquid, nitric acid, packaged liquid acid, and then from the uranium we can get some non-fissile uranium plutonium pellet. So basically from uranium we can extract plutonium. We get also plutonium from the wastes of uranium. So it's like the waste of uranium can be transformed to plutonium and re-injected inside another nuclear power plant. So this is a second, it's like a turbo in a car. It's like we're going to reuse the waste of the first stage using uranium, and the second stage is plutonium, and it's exactly the same system. I mean, different buildings, different needs, but in the end you still get plutonium fuel rod, and that plutonium fuel rod can be inputted to the nuclear power, the nuclear power plant. and it's gonna in its turn produce plutonium waste that we're gonna have to store carefully as well, far from the base, so that the base doesn't become radioactive. And yes, we still have some waste at this point when we transform energy, so we can also send them to the sink. To send them to the sink, it's possible to get rid of them. But for now, we're just gonna store them somewhere safe, because you see that there are some stages like uranium, plutonium. We'll keep the plutonium waste stored. Particle accelerator is a new building. This one is a special building in the way that it doesn't use power based on the building itself, like a fixed amount of power used. It depends on the recipe you use inside. So some recipes are very expensive. You're going to use a lot of power. Some other recipes are not very expensive. And yeah, we have to be very careful with particle accelerators, especially if we use some Summers loop and shards. We can really easily go very high in megawatts. So this is a dangerous building when you want to improve its production. Copper powder. This is a new source of. This is new. This is made from copper. That's all. And we're gonna use it for probably one of these two. Pressure conversion cube. Nuclear pasta. Nuclear pasta is the last of the components we're gonna ship in this phase. And this is all the new milestones. So in the next video, we're gonna focus on getting bauxite refinement, logistic from it. We can buy directly at the shop some aluminum based stuff. We're going to stop using these components, so we start storing them instead of using them, so that we have them accessible for all the things that we need to use them in. You see, we need like 400 of each to move forward, so we really want to be keeping some of it. So first this one, the Logistic MK5, we change the shared belt if we can. We buy enough of this one to change the shared belt. After overpack, hazmat suit, and control system development. Alright, thanks for watching, see you next video.